So we are here in Brooklyn, Next Acer event, and we're hoping to see a couple Chromebooks. This is Acer's global hardware press event where they unveil all kinds of stuff, not just Chromebooks obviously, but we're expecting to see a couple different Chrome OS devices, and we're excited to go in and catch the keynote. So the keynote has wrapped up, and Acer did in fact unveil a couple Chromebooks, the Chromebook 714, 715, and they are 14-inch and 15-inch respectively, all aluminum builds, and they are aimed directly at the enterprise market. So just kind of clean-cut designs, and they look professional and kind of top-end. The 15-inch version comes with a numeric keypad, which is a first for a Chromebook, and they both have fingerprint scanners right on the deck. We didn't get a chance to test those just yet, and probably won't, even with our hands-on time that we're going to spend in the next few minutes with these devices. But overall, they look like compelling Chromebooks. We'll get more information about starting prices and availability times and all that kind of stuff in our hands-on videos, so make sure and stick around the channel for that. Those will be coming later on today after we get to spend some more time with these devices. This video is brought to you by NordVPN, and whether you're browsing the internet on a brand new Acer Chromebook 715 or another Chromebook or an iPad or an iOS or Mac OS or Android device, it doesn't matter. NordVPN has you secured and will keep your browsing private. If you'd like to learn more about how to get started, go to chromeunbox.com/NordVPN to learn more today. So guys, that's it for this one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and until next time, we'll see you.